How to use Screencast-O-Matic to present your PowerPoint presentation. First, open your Screencast-O-Matic window. Then, click on Record button. Now, you can now present your topic with Microsoft PowerPoint presentation using Screencast-O-Matic. You can add narration to your presentation. You can also record your voice to discuss or present your PowerPoint presentation.